Welcome back to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap. In this video, we are going to be taking it out in the snow. It snowed like 2 or 3 feet, so we're taking it out. In here.
Nuts, man. It's pretty
So
cool.
sick.
How did this snow get in here?
No clue.
Oh, when he was doing burnouts.
What are we doing wrong?
We are going to temporarily fasten this front fender to the rad support so we can get back out into the snow and rip it. It's not pretty.
Maybe that looks great.
It looks glorious.
That's 90% of cores in the SEMA right there.
It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine.
For testing purposes only.
Racetrack use only. Try it again. That's true.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, I'm going in this time. This is so sketch. Oh, this tire's lost. Oh my gosh.
Yo, go over here, Tim. Go through the line.
Oh.
Some off-road.
Oh God. Covered in snow over here.
What was that?
That's amazing.
Unreal once there's clearance.
Yeah.
The curb was like.
This thing rips.
Yeah. So what are we? What else are we doing? We're raising up the body.
6 inches more lift.
That felt so effortless, like just everything.
But yeah, it rips.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Oh, that's amazing. It feels like it was still in 2-wheel drive. No.
But when there's 2-wheel drive, we can barely move. And 4, we were ripping.
So sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool, man.
You didn't get a chance to ride in it yet. Rob.
No, I know, but soon.
Drive it. Come on.
Well, no, it's we have
Battery. We have a functioning battery.
Yeah.
So
Disconnected, put it on a charger.
Yeah.
we have the suspension lift coming in soon. So thanks to Skyjacker, they're hooking us up. And yeah, 6 inches higher. We're gonna get a lot more turning radius. We're gonna do a lot more of this. That was probably one of the funnest things I've seen in a long time.
That's the funnest things I've done in a long time.
It was so fun.
Gotta get out more. This is just inspiration to go get like a dirt bike or something cool.
Yeah.
Just send it.
Yeah, man. Redneck is way more fun than anything else.
This is like rich redneck, though.
Yes
No
and
one-
no, man. I mean, like,
What do you mean?
realistically,
No one
Wow,
Dude's cheaper than a side-by-side.
yeah, I was gonna say, throw
True.
aside from the Lamborghini body that's pretty much worthless because it's fucking destroyed. Like this thing is cheaper than a side-by-side. Side-by-sides are like 70 grand right now.
Yeah, that's true.
It's literally snow everywhere. This is so sick. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the Patreon, on YouTube channel, everything. And we will see you guys later. Bye.